Welcome to Sheikh Math Academy. In this session, we are going to see P2 Pure Max Edexcel IAL exam revision, quick revision. Okay, first x1, y1, x2, y2. How to find the midpoint? Midpoint is x1 plus x2 divided by 2, comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Okay, midpoint formula most of them know. The distance formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Okay, the gradient formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. These three formulas you have known that. Okay, how to find the equation of AB? Y minus y1 is equal to m. M you found out here. M times x minus x1. Okay. How to find the perpendicular bisector? Find the midpoint. Here whatever gradient. Suppose here gradient you got A over B. This gradient is minus B over A. That's all. If it is gradient is 3 by 4, here minus 4 by 3. Okay, and this is the coordinate geometry, basic coordinate geometry. Copy down. M is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Midpoint is x1 plus x2 divided by 2, y1 comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Distance formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Equation of any line y minus y1 is equal to m times x minus x1. Okay, copy down. If two lines are parallel, m1 is equal to m2. If two lines are perpendicular, m1 m2 multiplied, it will become minus 1. Okay. In chapter 2, main is circle. X minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square is equal to r square. For this, what is the center? A comma b. What is the radius? R. Okay. Now tell me minus 3 comma 4 center. Radius is 6. How to make the equation, circle equation? X plus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square is equal to 36. 6 square 36. Okay, note it down. Circle has another equation, x squared plus y squared plus 2fx plus 2gy plus c is equal to 0. Here center is minus f. That means what you have to do? Just x coefficient divided by 2 and negative sign. Opposite sign, not negative sign, opposite sign. 2g divided by 2 and opposite sign. And radius is f squared plus g squared minus c. This is the radius. Okay, now I will give you one sum. Suppose here x squared plus y squared plus 10x minus 6y plus 2 is equal to 0. What is the center? 10 divided by 2 is 5. Opposite sign, minus 5. Minus 6 divided by 2 is minus 3. Opposite sign, 3. So center is minus 5 comma 3. What is the radius? F squared plus g squared minus c. F squared plus g squared minus c. C is this one, minus 2. Okay, so root 25 plus 9, 34 minus 2, so square root of 32. Square root of 32 is 4 root. Got it? This is the major circle formulas. Copy down. Some circle properties you would have studied in IGCSE. this is 90 degree if it is in diameter, okay. And the main property is in the circle radius is a tangent, this will be 90 degree. This is the main property. They will ask circle, the one point they will give, you have to find the center, and this point they will give, and find this gradient and find the opposite negative reciprocal gradient, that will be a tangent gradient, and this point. They will ask equation of the tangent. This one you use it. Okay. Last year I think they have asked on different questions. Center they gave, point they gave. Usually they are asking what is called tangent. They are asking normal, equation of the normal. Equation of normal is no need anything, just the same gradient you use it, and the either center point or this point you can use it. Most of the students ask me, sir, whether to take x1 y1 or x2 y2 to take in this equation, y minus y1 m x minus x1. Any point you take, suppose you have, if you have the 2 points, any point you may take it out, it will be the same equation. Better which is having 0, if anyone point is having 0 coordinate, that if you take it, your calculation will be reduced. Okay. Moreover, okay. And another one point. Sometimes they will give 3 points on the circle. This 1 point, 1 point, 1 point. They will ask 3 points, and then they will ask the circle equation. It's a tough sum. Okay. Just one chord you draw it with that 2 points. Find this midpoint, find this midpoint, find this perpendicular bisector equation, find this perpendicular bisector equation. This will always, as per the circle property, the chord's perpendicular bisector meets at the center. So first what you have to do, you have to find the midpoint, and you have to find the gradient of this one, and then negative reciprocal gradient is this perpendicular bisector, and using this point you find this equation L1. And here the same case, find the perpendicular midpoint, find this gradient and the negative reciprocal gradient, and use this point, frame one, find one equation. Then equate to 2 equation, you will find the intersecting point, that is center, and then radius is this distance to this distance. Okay. And another one, they will give circle equation, and one line touches the tangent, one line touches the circle. How to find this point? You substitute. Suppose x squared plus y squared plus 8x plus 6y equal to 0, and they are giving one y equal to 2x plus 4. Instead of y, you substitute here, and you will get one quadratic equation. That's all. And then find the x value and find the corresponding y value. That will be the coordinate of this point. Okay. Thank you for watching my videos. Keep watching these videos. I am putting all the chapters some formulas only. The main formulas are here. I will recap. Midpoint is x1 plus x2 divided by 2, comma y1 plus y2 divided by 2. Distance is square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Gradient is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Any equation of the line y minus y1 equal to m x minus x1. and if the two lines are parallel, their gradient is equal. If the lines are perpendicular, m1 m2 is equal to -1, m1 times m2 equal to -1. Circle equation x minus a whole square plus y minus b whole square equal to r square. Center is a comma b, and radius is r. And another circle equation, x squared plus y squared plus 2fx plus 2gy plus c equal to 0 means you just center is minus f comma minus g, radius is square root of f squared plus g squared minus c. That's all. And circle properties, all the properties you make familiar with you, especially in one past year they have given 3 points and ask the circle equation just to find this chord, find the midpoint, this line, find the intersecting point, then this will be. If they are asking circle and they are giving one circle equation and one tangent equation, if they are asking the coordinate, what you will do? This tangent value, suppose y equal to x plus 5 means that you substitute in the circle equation, you will get one quadratic equation, and then solve it, you will get the x values, then corresponding y values. Okay, see you in the next video, next class.